Is it possible to change music on Instagram story after posting it? Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out that. So let's just get started with the video. Open up Instagram first on your particular device and log in into your account that you are trying to post a story. So here you can see I have already posted a story on my Instagram here. So when I go over to my profile and tap on the story section, you can view this post right here where I have already uploaded a picture with the music in it. So if I would like to change the music on my story, when we tap on the more option and look out for edit or any other options, we do not find a dedicated option to change the music. So we do not have a direct option available yet on Instagram that allows us to change the music. So the only way possible is you can just go ahead and delete up this story that you posted. In order to do so, look out for the more option and tap on it, and look out for the delete option or archive option. And once it is deleted, you can head over to your home page and go to your top left corner, tap on your profile, and from there go ahead and add up the new story with another music that you are trying to switch into, and that's it. So that is only possible for now. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.